So we're here at the T site in Odense, and we're going to talk about the CoPilot feature for MC1 on excavators. The CoPilot feature for excavators is used together with tilt rotators, and it's useful together with both the 2D solutions and the 3D solution when it is about to create complex surfaces or trenches. Operating an excavator with a tilt rotator is like patting your head and rubbing your belly at the same time. The CoPilot feature takes automatic control of the tilt rotator, relieving some of the stress for the operator. For the excavator operator, it's an easy task to engage CoPilot. Simply press the bucket icon, select what features you want to use, and engage in auto, and the bucket will automatically match the surface. Undoubtedly, both operators and site management will notice an improved efficiency and productivity. However, every job is a bit different, so it's really hard to also put a number on the efficiency. But let's do a small test here. Side by side, 2 machines, one with CoPilot and one without CoPilot. Then you can make your own opinion.